Hey guys, it's Mel Shadley with NowLifeStyle. Hey, I'm your immediate sponsor. I just want to say welcome to the club. This is an awesome opportunity, an awesome company to get hooked up in. I just want to make this quick video. I got to make it quick. All right, so here we go. If you get an email from, you got an email from NowLifeStyle, and it gives you your sign-on information. Okay, and your sign-on information is going to be like this: NowLifeStyle.com login. Or NowLifeStyle, and then you click your right here, log in. All right, for some reason, if your login doesn't work, we have live chat. You click here, and the live chat is the best chat I've ever seen. So anyways, you want to get signed in with NowLifeStyle, okay? Once you log in, let me make this quick. There we go. All right, once you log in, watch this cool welcome video right here from Joel. Joel's a cool dude, man. There you go. Watch that video. It's under 5 minutes, all right? And then once you finish that, take notes. But once you finish that, then come here to your dashboard. Your dashboard has a business tab. Click on business, all right? Once you click on the business tab, I want you to do 3 things. 1, 2, 3. All right? How to start earning quickly. Joel explains it here in this video, right here, all right? And he'll explain it really simple. And then after you watch that, and it's under 5 minutes, and then you click right here for Dave Weber. And Dave's a heck of a teacher. There you go. All right, there's some follow-up messages that are pre-written, but you need to go in and personalize them a little bit for yourself, okay? Put a little bit of yourself into it, and it makes it a lot nicer. All right, and Dave explains it all. All right, in that LCS, go right here, and this is how you work. You click on lead capture page. All right, here's the business tab, lead capture system, and then wow, lead capture system. Reseller tools. There we are. All right. Reseller tools right here. Then you come over here to lead capture page or system. You click on this link right here. And I'm sure it's in Dave's video all the way. You put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of information. If you don't know how to get your profile for Facebook, it's right here. A video to teach you how to do it. Skype, it's a video how to do it. Then you click update. Once you click update, then your lead capture system's set up. All you got to do is manipulate your emails a little bit, and you're good. All right. So then you want to come back here to your 1, 2, 3 steps. Then you want to click on get traffic. All right. Get traffic. You got guaranteed pay sign up, which are the best leads ever, and then Facebook, which are right behind these in quality. These are where people have said, yes, I'm in, I've paid, I'm ready for a upline sponsor. This right here is people who are saying, I'm interested and I really want, an opportunity like this. And we just follow up with them with phone calls and emails. It depends on how you have to contact them. All right, so this is it. Well, you got 1, 2, 3 steps. And once you get leads started, tomorrow people will be joining your business. That simple. Okay? Then once you get your leads started, 4, 5, and 6, finish them up, and you're good. There's more training here, and it's just good information to have. And grow your business. This is all good information to have. But for this video, just get 1, 2, 3 done and contact me afterwards. So hey, this is Mel Shadley. You see. Whoop, this is me. Watch out. Boom. This is me. I'm always on vacation. So this is Mel with NowLifeStyle. Glad to have you on my team. I'm super excited for you. My team's grown like a wildfire, man. You can't believe how fast it's growing. So anyways, let's get started. So this is Mel signing off. Bye. Contact me.